Everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to shorten videos on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to shorten videos on iPhone using two recommended apps. The first app is the Photos that is built in on your iPhone. So simply open Photos and then click on the video that you want. So for example, I will choose this one and simply click on Edit found on the upper right corner and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may see these two arrows right here found on the left side and on the right side. So to shorten videos, you just simply click on one of the arrows and then drag to either left or right to shorten it. So if you want to click on the left arrow, simply press and hold and go to the right. And if you click on the right arrow, press and hold on it and go to the left. So once you're done, simply click on Done found on the lower right corner, and you may either save it using new clip or save the video using the default format. And then for the second app, I will be using the CapCut. So open CapCut, click on New Project, and choose the video that you want. Click on Next or Add on the lower right corner. And then right here, to make it shorter, you just simply click on the video on the timeline right here. Click on it and do the same step by clicking on the edges or on the first part or on the end part of the video. So click on it and then drag. Click and drag. Once you are done, simply click on the button found on the upper right corner and then that's it. That's how you can shorten videos on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.